Good afternoon, tutor. My name is Rodrigo Jimenez Cáceres. I will exhibit my role selects and Chief Financial Office. Financing in investing plan. Investor the number feedback the viability of this project according to our cost estimation matrix. The strategic development requires an initial investing of $95,600. Allocate with sources precision for 14% goes toward initial operation, scaling 20% covers the marketing, and 10% secures the legal protection of all intellectual properties. To fund this project, we have structure and financial meet the effective mitigate risk. We commit special green technology venture capital with applications for international innovation. Guarantees initial investment is calculated to efficiency cover the $60,300 in operation and support costs, ensure that the system is full self-sustaining during its pilot phase. Protect every single dollars invested with tangible asset and patent. Thank you.